I'm going to tell you, though you are studying, you are learning about the nationalism. So first of all, definitely you know the meaning of that word nationalism. Actually, nationalism means a sense of common identity. Fine. And the shared history means when, just like we are Indian, we are living in our country. What about our common identity? We all are Indians. We all are Indian citizen. We have faith, we have trust on our national flag, national anthem. This is the common identity. Whenever you move another place, if anybody will ask you from where country you belong to, that time definitely you will say, I am an Indian. So this is our identity, common identity to all. That time nobody will ask you, you are belong from which state, in which language is your mother tongue, you are talking to your mother tongue. They only be your identity only be there that you are an Indian. That is the nationalism. Fine. So that whenever you have to define nation, that time a body of people who are united by the same past, culture, political system and common interest, that is defined as the nation. And there the people living, they having common identity, that is known as the nation state. Another thing just I want to tell you, that fourth figure just now I talked about, that people they are marching towards that statue, they are holding a flag and also they wearing a common costume there. So that is also be the common identity for all. By that people only be attracted there for that common target there. Fine. Now I am going to tell you that next thing given in your chapter, that is about that you have to learn the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. Already you learned when you was in class 9th, your first chapter of history was about French Revolution, and most of you know that, all of you, not most, all of you, means all of you know that facts about that what happened in that French Revolution, that France was under monarchy and it was ruled by the Louis XVI there, and after a long struggle their people able to set up, got transformed that kind of political system, they transformed into democratic type of country there. Now France is a democratic country. And what happened there? What are the idea of the nation? French Revolution 1789, it was happened in the month of July, 14 July 1789. All of you are aware about that. Led to the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy to a body of citizen. Means sovereignty means we only can domain ourselves. Nobody can rule over us. We can enjoy our freedom. Nobody will interfere our internal matter, our personal matter, that is the sovereignty. Transform, so that previously it was monarchy, now it transformed into democracy. Next one, various practices adopted to develop a sense of collective identity among the people. You know, that time French people, they adopted tricolor flag there. Next one about their national anthem, that Marseillaise, that also you read in your previous class. Now declaration of mission to liberate Europe from despotism to liberal idea. Previously king only be imposed, give all kind of restrictions on the common people, they only be dominant over the people. Now people are liberate, they are free, nobody can domain on them. They can express their views, they can enjoy right to equality. That is the meaning of the liberate. Previously it was despotism means dominant. Somebody when rule over you, somebody when dominant over you. Fine. Next one, setting up the Jacobin clubs by educated middle classes and students of Europe. Setting up Jacobin clubs. You already read that Maximilian Robespierre, he set up that Jacobin clubs, and not only men, means male persons, they only be the members there. Female also can participate there. And another thing, so many clubs also be there. Female only be set up that clubs. Fine. And there also so many leaders, female leaders also there. Those only be struggled for the freedom, for the universal adult franchise. French female personalities also be, they struggled for the freedom. So that they mainly set up Jacobin clubs for educating the middle classes. You know, middle classes, they are the most intelligent class, and students of Europe, because students only with that kind of group of people, they can change our society. That's why the members of Jacobin clubs, they decided to educate only mostly that middle classes family members, and also be students of Europe. So this is the main, in that way only be nation state developed, nation state can be established in France.